Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stock notifier for your garden. First, gather your materials. You'll need a moisture sensor, a microcontroller like an ESP32, and a power source. This system will monitor your garden's needs, sending you alerts when specific conditions are met. It's a fantastic way to ensure your plants thrive without constant manual checks, saving you time and effort. Let's get started on building your smart garden assistant. To begin, you'll need a few key components. Grab a reliable soil moisture sensor, an ESP32 or ESP8266 microcontroller, and a small breadboard for connections. Don't forget your jumper wires, a USB cable for programming, and a suitable power supply, perhaps a 5-volt USB adapter. On the software side, ensure you have the Arduino IDE installed, as it's perfect for writing and uploading your code. These items form the core of your smart garden system. Now, let's assemble and program your notifier. Connect the moisture sensor's data pin to an analog input on your microcontroller and power it up. Next, open your coding environment and write a simple program to read the sensor's output. Establish a threshold. For example, if moisture drops below 25%, trigger an alert. Finally, configure your microcontroller to send these notifications to your phone or email, keeping you informed about your garden's health. With your notifier built, it's time for testing. Submerge the sensor in dry soil, then gradually add water, observing the readings and ensuring alerts trigger correctly at your set threshold. Calibrate your sensor for optimal accuracy, adjusting the code to match your garden's specific soil and plant needs. Remember, consistent monitoring helps maintain a thriving garden. Also, for other great deals, and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the link in the description below. Happy gardening!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.